Hello everyone, my name is Vinny Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about Keynesian price wages rigidity model. According to this model, prices and wages are sticky. That means prices and wages are not able to adjust quickly to change in demand and supply. Or we can say that prices and wages are not able to change easily due to change in market condition. And stickiness in prices and wages lead to disequilibrium and unemployment in economy. Assumption: wages and prices are sticky. This model applicable in short time period. There is closed economy, that means we will not talk about international trade. According to this model, aggregate demand is key driver, and this model support government intervention in economy. Now we will see causes of rigidity in wages. Why wages are sticky? Why wages are not able to change according to change in market condition? Because workers and trade union don't accept a reduction in wages. Long-term contract between employees and employer don't allow employer to reduce wages. Employer are not able to reduce wages due to minimum wage act and other laws in economy. Sometimes employer prefer to pay higher wages to efficient employees in order to motivate them, so they don't reduce wages. Now we will see sticky prices in goods market. Output, prices, demand, supply is our equilibrium point. Here demand is equal to supply. Now suppose due to any reason our demand fall, as a result demand curve shift backward. Is our new equilibrium point. Here you can see due to reduce in demand, prices are not able to reduce because prices are sticky. That's why prices will remain constant OP. And this gap shows excess supply in economy. That means supply exceed than demand. If supply exceed than demand, that means it will create disequilibrium in economy. So we can say that stickiness in price lead to disequilibrium in economy. Now we will see how this disequilibrium lead to unemployment in economy. This diagram shows sticky wages in labor market. Labor, wages, labor demand, labor supply is our equilibrium point. Because of fall in demand of goods and services, labor demand will also fall. But why? If demand for goods and services is continuously reducing, then why should producer produce? If producer is not producing, then why should producer will hire employees? That's why as demand for goods and services fall, labor demand will also fall in market. As labor demand fall, labor demand curve will shift backward. Our new equilibrium point is even. Here you can see due to fall in labor demand, wages will not fall because wages are sticky. Wages are not able to adjust easily due to change in market condition. Now suppose wages are not sticky, as labor demand reduce, wages also reduce, then obviously economy will achieve this equilibrium level again and there is no unemployment in economy. But this is not possible. Our wages are sticky. Wages are not able to change due to change in market condition. Wages will remain constant. That's why our new equilibrium point is E1. And this part shows labor supply exceed the labor demand. Or we can say that this part shows unemployment in economy. So we can say that this equilibrium lead to unemployment in economy. In short, we can say that stickiness in prices and wages lead to disequilibrium, eventually unemployment in economy. Now we'll see criticism. Empirical study shows wages are not rigid as this model explained. This model focus on short time period. What's about long time period? During long time period, wages and prices can easily adjust, but this model focus on only short time period. This model based on closed economy. What's about international trade? International trade also very important. Similar, innovation are very important because innovation can influence demand and supply, but this model ignore innovation. Technology can also influence aggregate demand, aggregate supply, but this model assume technology is constant. So this is all about Keynesian price wage rigidity model. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.